No, I look ridiculous. No. I'm gonna go hop in the shower quick and I'll be back. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Elizabeth. Hi, how are you doing? So today's video is on how I got this look pretty much, and how I put my little hair in a bun. I will not talk too much to waste your time. Just a heads up, this video is not talk through. I did not talk through into the entire video just because I'm in a rush. If you are interested on how I create this look and how I got this hair in a bun, then keep on watching.
Dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna go deep. Deep, 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 till I cried up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, till I cried up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep.
you guys, this is the finished look. If you did enjoy of how I put this little hair in a bun and how I did my makeup quick, this is like 20 minutes makeup. If you didn't like that and you would like to see more on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. When you subscribe, please hit that button, notification button, and that way you are notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye babes.